If you are looking to make money online with no experience by teaching English online, you have come to the right place. Here I am gonna list the best online English teaching platforms, how you can find a job with them, and how much money you can expect to earn from teaching English online without any experience. Welcome back to my new video, and I am Parvez here. In this video we will talk about the best online English teaching platforms or softwares which will help you to make money online very fast, and yes, of course, without any experience. It's awesome, right? So now let's talk about the top 3. Yes, I'm going to tell you about the top 3 online English teaching platforms which I have tested personally, and to be honest, they are really good to get paid fast. Number 1 is Cambly. Cambly is a much more informal teaching setting than any other online English teaching platforms. The people who you will be talking with already speak English at some level, and for the most part, they are just wanting to practice their conversational skills. Now let's talk about the pros to teach English online with Cambly. Number 1, you can work from anywhere in the world. No experience necessary. No university degree or TEFL certificate required. You can set your own hours. You can meet people of all ages from all over the world. You can have repeat students who you really get to know. Informal setting where you just chat with students about casual topics. Lessons and materials are available with Cambly if needed. Easy sign up, no contact needed. Safety protocols in place, such as you can ban a student immediately for inappropriate behavior. And cons to teach English online with Cambly: the pay rate is not very high, 17 cents per minute, which is $10 per hour. There's a free trial available for new students, meaning you may have to deal with a few who are not serious about practicing their English. This is a platform where students sign up and pay a fee and log in via an app to chat with tutors who are online. Teachers can log in at random, but you can book a shift. Number 2 is Italki. Italki is completely different from Cambly. With Italki, you set the pay rate that you are charging to your students. If there's a language you are fluent in, it can be English, German, Russian, or any other languages, then you can apply to become a teacher of that language. You will be in charge of the lesson, and the platform will start on Skype, FaceTime, or Google Hangouts. The rates you should charge are based on your previous experience, your credentials, your student feedback, and what others are charging to teach English online. From what I can see, the professional teachers are charging around $25 per hour, while the community tutors are charging around $12 per hour. Basically, if you price yourself out of the market, you won't have any students. You must be a native speaker in the language you are choosing to teach. Now let's talk about pros to teach English online with Italki. Number 1, you are in charge and set your own fee and your own schedule. Number 2, you decide what you teach. Classes are one-on-one. Teach English online and work from anywhere in the world. There are 2 types of profiles: professional teacher or community tutor. You must show certifications to be considered a professional. The platform deals with payments and assists with student issues. And the cons to teach English online with Italki: they take a 50% commission on your completed lessons. You need to come up with the lesson plans yourself. And the last but not least is VipKit. VipKit is an excellent option for North Americans who want to start teaching English online to children in China. This company came onto the scene in 2013 and has been exploding ever since. The platform connects Chinese students with teachers, and they deal with the lesson planning, making of tests, and speaking with the parents of the children you teach. Now let's talk about the pros to teach English online with VipKit. You can work remotely from anywhere in the world. VipKit creates the lesson plans for you. VipKit is a recognized and professional company. You can set your own schedule to work as many or as little hours as you like. It's high paying, up to $22 per hour. The students are adorable and well behaved. All classes are one-on-one. Helpful community of teachers and staff of VipKit. You don't need to speak Mandarin or Cantonese. holiday sessions incentive, paid extra for working Christmas, and $50 to $60 referral bonuses. And the cons to teach English online with VipKid, it's only for North American teachers. It's really bad, as I think. You must have a university degree in any subject. Only teaching children in China as opposed to different ages in different countries. Time change issues if you are not in China. If your internet cuts out for more than 3 minutes, you will be charged with cancellation of a class. Now choose the best online English teaching platform which suits you perfectly. Go to the description below and check out all these top 3 English teaching websites. All links are listed there. Just go there and start right now and comment below that I am in to let me know that you are going to start make money online today with me. I hope that this video inspired you too much to teach English online either as a full-time job or as a side hustle. Except for VipKid who require North American teachers, the others are fair game for any nationality. And in some cases, you don't even need to be native English speaking. Teaching English online is a rewarding and enriching experience. Check out the companies listed in the description below and get started. Never forget to share your personal opinion in the comment section below about which online English teaching platforms you are gonna to join to make money online fast without any experience. If your social media friends and followers can be benefited with this video, then share this video with them and give a like to this video right now. And never forget to subscribe my channel for lots of exciting videos like this. Till then, take care. Bye bye.